Welcome back to EXPLAINCAD. In this tutorial we will know what is the closed corner in sheet metal. We have base flange. Now select edge flange. Select these edges and specify some angle. I select 60-degree angle. OK. Now go to corner, select closed corner. I select this face and this face. And this face. From here is the corner type. First one is butt. See here. Gap distance between the butt. You can specify any distance here. Next is overlap. And other one is underneath. In overlap and underneath you can also specify gap distance and overlap underlap ratio. I select butt and select OK. See here, this corner is closed. Same here. Select corner, select closed corner. This face. It will automatically pick next face. Select all these. OK. Now see its flatten pattern. Uncheck it. This is the closed corner in sheet metal in SOLIDWORks. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.